Hi there guys, welcome to my channel with another fresh episode. In this video I will be doing the review of the Soundlogic headphone. I am using it for almost 24 hours, so I decided to review it now. And if you want to buy this product, this video is for you. Please watch until the end, and this video quite longer, so please watch until end, and then you can know that do you buy this product or not. So let's get started. This video with two different parts, and the number one parts I discuss about pros and then cons. So let's discuss pros first. And number one point is the build quality of this product is very good. The material using for this product is very good. The wear quality is very good. Though the materials is all plastics, but the quality of this good in this price segment. And number two, that if you like bass, then this headphone is definitely for you. The bass of this headphone is really rich and sharp, so there is a very good thing. And number three, I want to say that the Google voice assistant features is very cool. In this price range you don't get with another headphone to give these features. So the voice assistant features is available only in this phone. And this is the left earbud, you can see, and if you touch this key, then if you press this key, and then your phone will connect with Google voice assistant, and you can call without touch the phone, and also you can know the weather is going on today or tomorrow. So this features is very cool and pretty useful too. And so the battery is also very nice of this headphone, and if you charge it once, it can gives you service almost 6 hours. It is very comfortably, so it is very good. And I can say that the Bluetooth connectivity of this product is also very fine, and you have no problem to connect your phone with your phone, and you face no issue, and I say that. So these are the very good pros of this product, you can see. And the product is too good, but the products also have some cons, I can say that. So let's discuss the cons next. Number one cons, I want to say that though the volume of this product and the high-end volume actually is very good, but the low-end or medium-end musics are not so much good for in this headphone. I listened in low music, low volume music, and medium volume music too, but I am not enjoying that features too much, and so that's it. The number two problem is that the Bluetooth range from the phone of this device is just around 10 meters, which is very small. If you do some work, always you have to carry your phone with you, otherwise it will be disconnected. I face this issue many times, so this is very problem for me actually. And number three, I can say that if you wear this headphone for a long time, it gives you pain in your ears. I think in this case you might have different opinion, because I never wear headphones for such a long time. So if you have habit to wear it for a long time, you don't feel any pain in your ear, I think so. But this is a problem, so I think it should tell, so I said it. And next, number four, the earbuds are pretty heavy, and the built-in mic are not so good, so the call quality not so perfect. It is good, but not so perfect actually. So these are the cons and pros of this product. That's it guys. I think I discussed all things of this product. Still, if you have any queries about regarding this product, so you can comment down below. I will give you answer definitely. And another unboxing video will come to this channel very soon, so touch with me, and please subscribe to my channel And that's it, signing off today, and thank you. God bless. Bye guys.